Welcome back. Alright, we're going to do dividing with decimals. If you haven't watched the dividing with multiple digit whole numbers yet, you need to go watch that one before you watch this, or else you're going to be confused. Because this is a step beyond that, and you need to master that before you get here. Okay, so we're going to start with 1.25 divided by 5. So we're going to put in our little box here. The first number gets the box. Second number goes out front. Alright, can 5 go into 1? No, it can't. Can 5 go into 12? Yes, it can. How many times? 2. Put the 2 there. 2 times 5 gives me 10. Subtract gives me 2. Now I need to bring down the 5. Give me 5. 5 goes into 25 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. Minus to give me 0. So now we need to ask ourselves, where does that decimal point go? Well, it's always going to go straight up. We might have to move it around in the beginning of the problem, but it's going to go straight up from where it is at the end. Okay? So our decimal point's going to go there. So 1.25 divided by 5 is actually 0.25. Alright, for our next one. Again, first number gets the box. Second number goes out front. Can 4 go into 2? Nope. Can 4 go into 24? Yes. How many times does 4 go into 24? Well, 6. So 6 times 24, or 6 times 4 gives me 24. I subtract 0, bring down the 8. 4 goes into 8 2 times. Multiply over, subtract, gives me 8. So 2.48 divided by 4 gives me 62, but where does my decimal point go? Well, again, it goes straight up. So it's actually 0.62. Alright, now one more problem. Here we have 1 divided by 0.25. Okay, first number gets the box. Second number is out front. Okay, we need to change something here. We can't divide when we have a decimal out front. So what we actually do is just multiply it by 10 to give us 25. Or sorry, multiply it by 100 to give us 25. Multiply by 10 for each spot. Okay, so since we moved the decimal point 2 spots there, we're going to have to move the decimal point 2 spots here. And there it is, 1, 2. So we got to move it 2 spots over. So if we have a decimal up front, we need to make this a whole number. So we do that by multiplying it by 10, however many times to get it over. Then we need to multiply whatever's inside by 10, however many times we did this one. So because I moved 2 spots there, I'm going to move 2 spots there. And now we have 25, or 100 divided by 25, and that is just 4. So it's 4 times 25, it's 100. We subtract, we get 0. Okay, that was quick, but if you don't understand anything, go back, watch that whole number, multiple digit whole number division again. Thanks.